So you want to start a business. You've came to the right place. May not look like it, but I actually have learned from professionals of how to start a business. So I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to start a business. How to start a business from a 15-year-old. Let's get into it. So I got this summer job for about 5 weeks. It was like a paid internship, and they taught us how to start a business, how a whole bunch of things, like how to start a business, what you need to do to start a business. They told us stats of how many businesses don't succeed or succeed in the first year or two. They taught us how to get an LLC, taught us all of that. So you need to start a business because you want to do it, not because you want money, but because you want to do it, something that you enjoy. For me, it would be graphic design or photography or even videography, like video editing, who knows. But yeah. Now, when you start a business, it's gonna have its up and downs. You might not get customers as soon as you start a business, but that's where marketing comes into play. You need to self-promote yourself to people. Don't comment on people's posts because you can get banned for that. But tell your friends and family. Your family would probably be one of the first people who will support you in your business. So if you want to start a business, tell your friends and family, and maybe they can spread the word around. And depending on what your business is, you can start getting some money like that. So another thing is, don't give up if you don't succeed when you first start. It's like YouTube. You start YouTube, yes, there's people who grow really fast, but then there's people who also don't grow really fast. You need to trust the process and take that leap of faith, and you'll make it if you believe in yourself. Something that they taught us was the characteristics of what successful business people look like. And some of them are like creativity, talent, being organized, great work ethics. You have to be motivated. I can't speak. You have to have self-confidence, and you have to be motivated. Back to being motivated. Motivation is a big factor of it all. If you don't have motivation, then why are you doing it in the first place? Another good thing is to surround yourself with people who want the same thing for you. Surround yourself with people who won't nod their head yes when something is going wrong, like that NF lyric. You want your vision to be positive, and so because of that, you want to surround yourself with positive people. Start a social media. That's really good marketing. There are other people starting businesses just like you. You gotta keep that in mind. It's like the first year of high school. There's other kids around you who are nervous and don't have any friends. So that's the same rule when you start a business. There's people like you who are trying to start a business. So just reach out to them, you know? Tell them what their plan is. Ask them what their plan is, you know? Work on your pitch to people. So if you're just like out in public and you happen to see someone famous or someone who owns their own business, create your pitch. It's called your elevator pitch. It's like less than 12 seconds, I think it has to be, or something. But yeah, create your elevator pitch. Your name, what you do, why you can be helpful to that person, stuff like that. And keep it underneath a minute, because when you're imagining it, are you in an elevator for less than 30 seconds? No. Okay then. Another good thing is starting a business plan. 20% of small businesses fail in their first year of starting a business. When you have a business plan, you know what you want to do and where you want to go. So that's why it's very helpful to start a business plan. Another thing to keep aware of is your opponents. People around your area or near you that have the same business as you or that are starting out the same business as you. You want to know your opponents. because you want to know what their prices are, or what they're doing, or how they got successful, and how maybe you can get successful. Maybe you can ask them for some tips. But yeah, always be aware of your opponents. Once your business starts to pick up, you're gonna need an LLC. You can go online, sign up for one. You don't have to be a certain age. You can be 13 and start your own business. I know people who have done that. So all you do is to go online, type in LLC, sign up for one, or put your information in for one, and put your name and all that stuff, so that when people ask you, like, are you actually a business? Like, yes, I'm actually a business. LLC. Yeah. Another helpful tip is for social media type thing. If you're doing a business like photography or graphic design, then you want to start yourself a website and put all your stuff in there, like a portfolio. You want to start a portfolio, and you can actually do that for free. A website that you can do it for free on is Google Sites. It's really good to use. I personally use that for my photography portfolio and my graphic design portfolio. Right here, I guess. Yeah. But yeah, so you want to start a portfolio. So when you get clients, or when people are asking, like, yeah, I have a portfolio, look at my work, you like it, contact me. Make sure you have your contact information on there, and post your good work, like your best work. Your best work. Hopefully that's some tips and tricks to starting a business, or help you start going with a business. I don't know English, but yeah. I hope you write down this advice, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. That's how to start a business, or steps to start a business, essentially, in a way. Tips to start a business. Yeah. So yeah, if you already knew these, okay, sorry. I just want to let you know that even if you're young, you can do anything you put your mind to. Anything you put your mind to, you can do. And I've noticed that I didn't really put that much faith into my YouTube channel, but now I am. I'm gonna try. I always have been trying, but I'm gonna put my all into it. And I truly think that I can make it. I truly think that I can meet all these people that I want to meet. Yeah, and it wouldn't be a video of mine if I don't rant. I mean, come on, I'm cringy. Cringe is the lifestyle. Cringe. Yeah, so let me know down below if you like this setup. Lights, camera, face light, microphone. Yeah. Peace. Yeah. I just got rudely interrupted by my best friend. Thank you. She keeps calling me. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day or night wherever you are. Until next time, peace.